Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cooking with Trisha, and today guys I'll be showing you how to make the best Jamaican Christmas fruit cake. You know, that nice delicious Christmas cake, plum cake that you can't get enough of. Guys, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. I have the ingredients right here and I am going to show you how to make it, guys. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like the video, share, tell a friend about this Christmas recipe. Guys, here you can see the ingredients. I already went ahead and measured out the ingredients. This is 2 cups of flour, right? This is 8 eggs, this is 1 pound of butter, right? This is 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 1 nutmeg. This is the famous Grace browning, guys. I'm going to be using this. This is 1/4 cup of orange juice, and this is freshly squeezed orange juice, guys. You can use the ready-made one, but I like to use freshly squeezed orange juice, and it's 1/4 cup, but you can use up to 1/2 cups of orange juice. This is 2 cups of blended fruits. Guys, use the fruits of your choice. There's no prune in this because I do not like prunes, but if you like prunes, you can always use it, guys. This fruit has been soaking now for about 2 months, a very long time, people, and the longer the fruits soak, the better. And guys, I can just smell the aroma. It's a it smells so good, people. Guys, this is the 2 tablespoon of vanilla. This is 2 cups of crackers, water crackers, Excelsior water crackers, people, and I broke it up, I blend it up, and then I strained it. So 2 cups of water crackers, 2 cups of water crackers, and 2 cups of flour. Next, guys, I have a little bit some lime zest, you know, and this is to put in my egg to take away the rawness. And guys, I will also be taking out the eyes in the egg. You heard me correctly, egg of the eyes. I'll be taking away the eyes in the egg, and you'll see me when I'm doing it. And this is my 2.5 cups of brown sugar, people. 2.5 cups of brown sugar. So guys, this is all the ingredients. I think I have this too, you know, people. I'm gonna be using it to make a grate a little bit of this is a dried orange peel in my fruits. This is all the ingredients, guys, that you would need to make the best cake. I think I forgot this, you know. This is 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So that's it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ingredients in all, as well as the mixed spice. This is optional, people. I not too like it, but we'll see how the cake tastes and whether or not I need to add it. So guys, come right ahead, you know, come right ahead with me, guys. I'm gonna start my cake right now. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to be breaking the eggs one by one, right? Come Mr. Young, show them what I'm doing. I'm going to be taking out the eye of the egg, and when I call eye, people, the little white something, you know, it has to go. So guys, I just completed taking out all of the eyes in the egg, and now I'm just mixing my 8 eggs together. I just had 1/2 tablespoon of lime zest, right? You can see the green stuff in the egg. That's the lime zest, right? I just mix it for a quick minute, less than a minute, 30 seconds, and put it aside. Right, so that's what it's looking like right now. So now I'm going to be creaming my butter, and this is 1 pound of butter. So guys, I just added the 1 pound of butter, right? And I'm going to be creaming the 1 pound of butter with the 2.5 cup of sugar. So I'm just going to be adding everything in. Oops, don't want to waste my sugar, you know, people. So guys, now that the batter is, you know, creamed for 15 minutes, and this is the sugar and the butter, I'm going to be adding my eggs, you know, a little bit at a time. And I'm going to be doing this for 5 minutes, mixing them and whipping them for 5 minutes in total. Alright, so add a little bit, that's about 1 egg. So guys, this is what it is looking like. You know, I just whisk the egg with the butter and the sugar for 5 minutes. Guys, the next thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding my dried ingredients. So guys, at this point in time, you may choose to add your other wet ingredients such as your vanilla and the orange juice, but I choose to add my flour and my blended crackers. To me, it is the same end result. It's either here or there, you know. Other persons too might even choose to mix their nutmeg and their cinnamon powder in the flour itself before adding it to the mixture, but I choose to add them one by one. So guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm throwing flour into the creamed mixture and I'm cutting and folding. I throw a little in and I cut and fold. I throw a little more and I cut and fold. Guys, there is a heart to this thing. Don't just dash all the flour in the mixture just like that, and don't just circle, cut and fold, cut and fold. Over the mix. That's the last of the flour. So the next ingredient, guys, this is the water crackers, and if you have breadcrumbs you can use it. I never used breadcrumbs before though. I always use water crackers. So cut and fold, people. Scrape up everything out of the side, cut and fold. Cut and fold, cut, fold, cut, fold. Right, I'm going to be adding the my 1/4 cup of orange juice, right, my 2 tablespoons of vanilla, my 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and my 1 nutmeg. Now I'm just gonna throw everything in there right now. My 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Guys, this is totally optional, you know, the mixed spice. I'm gonna add it, but you know, not now. Let me just mix everything in. Cut and fold. As I go along, people, cut and fold. You can smell all the spice coming into play now, you know, people. from the side, down in the pot. Right, the next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is my 2 cups of fruits, right? And I went ahead and I blended out my fruits because I don't like when my fruits is big, right? I like when it's just incorporated in the it smells so good in the cake, but it's all up to you people if you want to blend it or not, but I prefer blending it. Guys, it smells so good. I don't even taste it as it until it smells good. You know guys, I know this recipe from the back of my hand, like the palm of my hand. So you know, you see, I'm doing it and I'm not tasting it because I know how it tastes like, right? It's delicious. Right. So we had the mixed spice, just a card full, not much. This is equivalent to probably half tablespoon. If you are a mixed spice lover, you can go ahead and add 1 tablespoon, but you know, the cinnamon is in there and the nutmeg is in there. There is no need for more than half tablespoon of mixed spice. So the next thing that I'm going to be adding 3/4 browning. Usually it takes 3/4 bottle of browning for me to reach the desired color. So guys, I just had a 3/4 browning. It usually takes 3/4 for me to reach the desired color. I'm gonna be cutting and folding now. So if you want it a little bit more lighter, you can add more. If you want it darker, you can add. If you want it lighter, you can add less. Sorry. If you want it lighter, you can add more. So I'm going to be putting in some more. This is a little bit too light for me. So guys, the mixture was placed in the oven for a total of 2 hours 7 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The extra 7 minutes was because when I tested the cake, the middle was a little bit moist, so I gave it an extra 7 minutes. Guys, also remember to put a casserole dish of water to regulate the temperature of the oven. So guys, I'm now greasing my baking tin, and if you hear me calling it pudding pan, it's what I grew up to call pudding pan, real country girl. Whoa. Now I'm gonna be adding in my batter. You see how rich the butter is, people? No, nice. Guys, I remember eating the excess of this when my daddy baked. You know, comment down below who used to eat the batter. Who used to eat it and I was alive. I think I'm gonna eat this one too. So guys, this is what it is looking like now. I'm gonna be putting it in the oven for 2 hours, and I'm gonna be baking it on 180 degrees Celsius, right, for 2 hours. I'm also going to be putting a top of water in the oven to regulate the heat. So see you at 2 hours, guys. I know the cake is finished and it smells so delicious. The last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be basting it, guys, with some red label wine. Guys, I'm going to base it and make it soak, right? So guys, this is the morning after, and this is what the cake is looking like after it has been soaked with some red label wine on top. Guys, it is delicious. I taste some of the crumbs and it's indeed delicious. So guys, as you can see, the cake is really moist. That's the inside. It's really delicious as well, people. That's what the slice is looking like. And that's the cake for you. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.